Yo guys, this is not fair at all, bro. Nike, why are y'all doing this to your loyal customers? The person that come to you at the end of the day and spend their money, and you gonna do us like this? It's crazy, bro. And we definitely gotta talk about it in today's video. I need you guys to go crazy in the comment section for this topic that we got on today's hand, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video, man. Your boy, The Vintage, is back. Feeling good. Left the gym earlier. Got some good food in me. And I'm just feeling good, man. So I hope you guys Saturday is going perfectly fine as well. We really didn't have much to drop today besides those Seafoam Jordan 4 women's exclusive, I believe. You know, kind of like that light green colorway. I think it was Seafoam, not too sure. But that was one of those no-look Chris Paul passes. Not grabbing them at all. I didn't have no interest in them, you know what I'm saying? So I know a lot of you guys probably didn't pay those no attention either, but they probably are sitting in some of y'all malls, local malls and stuff like that. Y'all seen them sitting and stuff like that. And if you like them, I love it. If you like it, I love it. And if you did cop those, let me know down below in the comment section, bro. It is a Jordan 4. The quality looks pretty cool. It's just a little too much for me. And I ain't saying that I'm against women's exclusive because I have a bunch of women exclusive Jordan sneakers in my collection. So just interested in seeing if anybody did grab them to let us know in the comment section, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you already know what we need you guys to do, man. Run them likes up, bro. Run them likes. You guys subscribe to the channel. Just do your boy a favor, run them likes up, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. You know what I'm saying? I think you can hit the notification bell without subscribing. Not too sure, but you ain't gotta subscribe. I just want you guys to get notified when we drop these videos, bro. I need you guys comments. We need them likes, and we're gonna keep on pushing, man. All right, so you guys heard in the intro. You heard in the intro. This is one of those. Why is Nike doing this, bro? It's super crazy, and it's kind of one of those things that's bleeding into the next month. You guys know what happened in February. February was crazy with releases. We got bread ones, we got Galaxy foam. I'm talking about Nike in general. We got foam posits, bread ones. What else we get? Black metallic 5s. We got all types of stuff. We got all types of sneakers to release. And if I'm not mistaken, the flu games drop like March the 1st, but that's technically still in February. You know what I'm saying? I know it's technically March, but it still feel like one of those February releases because it's only 28 days in February. But we got crazy releases in February, bro. It was ridiculous, man. And it's not slowing down any time soon. It's just crazy, bro. I don't understand how Nike expects us to keep up because this month, bro, this month alone, and we already a week into the, the month, and we ain't got nothing but those Seafoam Air Jordan 4s that nobody's getting, but they're going to triple stack 3 crazy sneakers that all could honestly potentially go down as sneaker of the year. So we have them all right here, bro. We're gonna talk about each one by one. And I think the first one to note, because of the whole, train situation, the heist that happened with these sneakers, is the Air Jordan 4 brick by bricks, man. The Nigel Sylvesters. And I myself, bro, this is a cop. I've told you guys in the past, you guys seen them in my video. The homie JC guy broke them out. We went to the game. I said, bro, those are a cop. And that's one of those shoes, like, it got some hype to it, but you would still get it if it didn't have the whole Nigel theme around it. If it was just a regular all Air Jordan 4 red suede sneaker, I'm copping them, bro. I love red. And with the SB on the back, the Bike Air, it is crazy dope. It don't got SB, it has Bike Air. Still super crazy in my opinion. You guys let me know what you think about it. And the resale has dropped tremendously, so do not pay resale yet. I'm hearing the resale is gonna drop more and more. And let me check right now before I don't wanna talk too prematurely, but the last time I did check, my size was only going for like 360 if I'm not mistaken. So let's go to the counter on our lovely Goat app just to see, kind of what the price is hitting for. And let me see where they at. Where you at? Air Jordan 4 brick by bricks, March the 14th, that I might add. And my size is now going for $412. And they still are going for around that $400 to $500 price range in between sizes. But that is a major drop from what they're going for about a month ago. It's going for like $1,200, $1,300. I've seen people paying $1,000 for these sneakers. Now they are going for $400. And that kind of tells you one or two things, bro. It's a lot of pairs And it's a lot of pairs, bro. No resale drops that much without it being a stock issue. And I'm saying a lot of pairs, but that's more to say like it's in a reasonable, obtainable price range. We all know Nike and Jordan brands come back on their stock. So I want you guys, taking that too far. I want y'all, using my words against me. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's a lot more pairs than like, what can we say? What was it super limited? The Air Jordan 1 Bread High 85s. It's on like what, 20 or 15,000 pairs? I'm not too sure, but it's more than that, and our resale is acting accordingly, bro. So you're gonna be able to get those shoes if you do really want them. And with us still being a week before the drop, I can see these going for high or low to high $300 in that price range. So please hold your ducats right now. Do not go too crazy with trying to go out there and go stuff and grabbing them, because a resale will drop when Sneakers app does drop their stock. And of course there is raffles going on, and I believe Nigel's website has a freaking raffle coming up very soon as well. So just keep your eyes open, keep your eyes peeled, so you can take advantage of those raffles for that sneaker. But from $1,000 to $1,200 all the way down to $400-300s, that's a good sign for me and you, man. All right, guys, next is a shoe that I didn't even know was releasing. What's kind of crazy is I still do not see them on the Sneakers app, but everybody's saying they are releasing. I'm not saying it's not happening, but I've heard some mixed vibes with it. Some people say that they all dropped already, and then some people saying we're getting another drop on the Nike Sneakers app. Me, I don't see them at all. All you see on the Sneakers app is the Bike Airs, the Foam Posits, and the Cool Gray 9s, which we might as well add that in today's video too. We're gonna talk about these soon. But the Air Jordan 1 Union to LA, I'm back. People said that they are dropping. They're not on the Sneakers app yet, but we did hear that will be a second chance. But then like literally right after we heard it's gonna be a second chance, they said that all the pairs were, released on Union LA after Nike tweeted out that we shot the gun too early, saying that it's gonna be a drop on the Sneakers app. So just keep y'all eyes peeled on for that one, because I do think we might get that drop, but there's nothing confirmed right now on the Sneakers app. You guys know we gotta see it in black and white. We gotta see it on our Sneakers app to fully believe it. So just keep that one up in the air right now. The Air Jordan 1 Unit LA bags. But again, since we got these right here, these drop on the 15th, I believe. I think it's the 15th. The Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays, one of my top 10 pickups of the year, bro. I love these things. Broke them out early, going to Atlanta Hawks game. These joints go crazy. I was hearing people, bro. I got some good hearing. It was like, yo, man, I can't wait till those come back. In the back of my mind, I'm like, bro, these is what's coming back this year. You know what I'm saying? I had to flex on them just a little bit, so slightly with these joints. Love them to death. Always wanted the Cool Gray since I was in high school. Like, I remember the homie John, bro, had them on feet. I said, bro, what is them? Them joints is cold. You know what I'm saying? And now here we are 10 years later, and we have a fresh, crispy pair of these guys. But these are also releasing. I know it's not one of those highly talked about kicks because it is an Air Jordan 9, but I gotta mention in today's video because I know some people out there that will be interested in snagging a pair of these Cool Gray guys. And then last but not least, the craziest of them all. And I recently did a YouTube short, reacting to somebody spray painting these things, turn them into Black Cat 4s. I was like, why are you doing that? I'm trying to put the video right here if I can. But buddy was spray painting the Air Jordan 4 SB navy blues and turn them into Black Cats. I said, bro, let me find out where you at, because we're gonna have to squabble about that one. That's crazy. You can't do that, bro. You gotta keep the SBs, you feel me? But it will be dope to see Air Jordan 4 Black Cat SB. That'd be dope. But the SB on the back, hey, that'd be cold, man. But the Air Jordan 4 navy blue SBs are scheduled to release this month as well. And we only mentioned 4 sneakers, but 3 to note. These SBs, the Unit LAs, and the Brick by Bricks, that's already, let's just do the math real quick. Quick math, $250 for the Brick by Bricks, $210 or $200 for the Unit LAs, and then the Air Jordan 4 SBs, think it's going for like $225. You guys do the math down below and let me know in the comment section. That is a lot of money. And we're not even factoring the fact that we probably ain't gonna hit all these for retail. Let's just be honest. Let's be completely honest. You probably not gonna hit all these joints for retail, so you gotta pay a little extra change to get these things, and that's just gonna raise that up that much more. And me personally, I want all of these. I want the SBs, I want the Brick by Bricks, and I want the Unit LAs. and I'm just waiting, bro. Hopefully your boy get a crazy dub on the Nike Sneakers app. But again, bro, Nike playing no games, and Sneakerheads, hey, get ready to pull that card out, pull that wallet out, and get ready to spend all y'all money on Nike again this month. And they ain't even slow down, bro. They went from February, all them crazy releases, to March. I need a little break. Nike, give me a little break with these drops, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe right now if you're new, especially if you're rocking out with the vibes. Run them likes up and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop here in the near future, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And with all that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.